In this video, we listed the top 5 best cell phone stand and Bluetooth speaker that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Induction Speaker 5-in-1. The Orisoc ZJ027 is a compact and versatile portable Bluetooth speaker designed for everyday entertainment. Featuring both Bluetooth and wireless induction playback modes, it delivers clear stereo sound with a 5W output while supporting smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. Its multifunctional design includes a built-in phone stand, RGB ambient lighting, and emergency phone charging capability, making it ideal for watching YouTube videos, TikTok content, podcasts, or listening to music. With a wireless range of up to 10 meters and a rechargeable battery, this lightweight tabletop speaker offers convenience and portability for home, office, or travel use. Backed by a 1-year warranty and highly rated by users, the Orisoc ZJ027 combines stylish design, practical features, and reliable performance in a compact package. Number 2. GLOPUS Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. The GLOPUS F25 is a compact and portable Bluetooth speaker designed for music lovers who want reliable audio on the go. Featuring a 5W dynamic driver, it delivers clear mono sound with a frequency response of up to 20 kHz, making it suitable for music, travel, and small gatherings. The speaker offers wireless Bluetooth connectivity with a range of up to 33 feet, ensuring stable connections with compatible devices. Its built-in 3,600 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended playback time, while the touch controls make operation simple and convenient. Constructed with a durable plastic enclosure and equipped with a USB port and integrated microphone, the GLOPUS F25 combines practicality, portability, and solid performance in a lightweight design. Backed by a 6-month manufacturer warranty and highly rated by thousands of customers, it is an excellent choice for everyday entertainment. Number 3. JTEMAN Bluetooth Speaker and Phone Stand. The JTEMAN L43 is a versatile Bluetooth speaker and phone stand designed to enhance your mobile entertainment experience. Featuring a foldable design, it functions as both a portable wireless speaker and a convenient stand for smartphones, making it ideal for watching videos, video calls, streaming content, or listening to music hands-free. Crafted with durable silicone and leather-like materials, the stand offers a premium look and stable support while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact design makes it perfect for home, office, travel, or bedside use. With reliable Bluetooth connectivity and user-friendly functionality, the JTEMAN L43 is a practical accessory that combines style, convenience, and quality audio performance in one portable device. Number 4. CHIFENCHY Magic Arm Induction Cell Phone Stand. The CHIFENCHY Magic Arm is a multifunctional portable Bluetooth speaker that combines powerful audio performance with a convenient phone holder design. Delivering up to 10 W of output power through its dynamic driver system, it provides clear and immersive surround sound for music, videos, podcasts, and hands-free calls. The built-in microphone and touch controls enhance usability, while Bluetooth and induction speaker technology allow instant wireless audio playback from compatible smartphones and tablets. Its compact tabletop design makes it perfect for use at home, in the office, kitchen, bedroom, or during outdoor activities such as camping, travel, and parties. Lightweight yet durable, the Magic Arm also serves as a practical phone stand for comfortable viewing. Compatible with Android, Samsung, iPhone, and tablets, this versatile speaker is an excellent gift choice for adults and teens, offering convenience, portability, and quality sound in one stylish package. Number 5. Foldable Cell Phone Stand with Bluetooth Speaker. The TechGlow L9-1 is a versatile portable Bluetooth speaker designed to enhance both entertainment and productivity. Combining a high-quality wireless speaker with a convenient charging stand, it allows users to enjoy music, videos, and hands-free calls while keeping their devices securely positioned. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers, the speaker supports Bluetooth connectivity and can also function as an external speaker through an AUX connection. Its built-in microphone enables clear voice communication, while the lightweight and compact tabletop design makes it ideal for home, office, travel, and everyday use. Constructed from durable ABS material and equipped with a USB port, the TechGlow L9-1 offers a practical blend of portability, functionality, and reliable audio performance. Backed by a 12-month replacement warranty and highly rated by customers, it is an excellent all-in-one audio accessory for modern devices.